Good day to our lecturer. So today we are going to present about problem-based tasks. So let me introduce myself. I'm Tarshini Anfalagan with matrix number 10DDT21F2039, and my group mates are Harish Madan Raj. Harish Madan Raj Selvaraju is matrix number 10DDT21F2033, and another teammate is Prama Devi Saktivil 10DDT21F2038. So today we are going to present about research broadband internet access technologies. So objective part 1 is to investigate broadband distribution, and part 2 is about research broadband access options for specific scenarios. So the background or scenario is, although broadband internet access options have increased dramatically in recent years, broadband access varies greatly depending on location. In this lab, you will investigate current broadband distribution and also research broadband access option for specific scenarios. So the required resources are device with device with internet access. Okay, part 1 will be investigate broadband distribution. In part 1, you will research broadband distribution in a geographical location. Step 1 is research broadband distribution. Use the internet to research the following questions. Okay. First question will be, for the country in which you reside, what percentage of the population has broadband internet subscription? So the answer will be, as per October 2012, 72.4% of Americans have a broadband internet connection, which will be 88 million households. The percentage will be 100%. So the next question will be, what percentage of the population is without broadband internet option? So the answer will be negative 9% of Americans currently have no broadband internet option. So next step is research broadband distribution in any country. So we have to choose one country and then search the internet for the fixed broadband deployment map. Then the fixed broadband deployment map allows users to search and map broadband availability across the United States. Note, for access option in ISPs, for locations outside the United States, perform an internet search using the keywords broadband access, which will be XYZ, where XYZ is the name of the country. So now I pass to my group mate.
Have a good day to my lecturer. I want to continue. Okay, the first question is, enter your zip code, city, and country that you would like to explore and click find broadband. So we must choose New York City. Country is United States of America. So its zip code is 10055. We choose this city because of there are so many population, and then there are a lot of people are using internet. I mean broadband usage. This is the map of the where we can get the cover the better coverage. So we took New York City. So they and at that place only we can get the 100% of coverage. The percent of units covered is main is maximum is 100. Maximum is 100 percentage, and then the lowest is 50 percentage. Next slide. Examine the all providers reporting area of the output. What, if any, wired broadband internet connections are available at this location? Complete the table below. So we was choose Time Warner and Frontier. The connection type for Time Warner is cable, and then its download speed is 10 to 25 Mbps. The second ISP is Frontier. The connection type is ADSL, and then the download speed is 6 to 10 Mbps. Examine the all providers reporting area of the output. What, if any, wireless broadband internet connections are available in this location? Complete the table below. So we was choose Omnicity, Verizon, and Sprint Nextel. Omnicity is connection type is fixed wireless, and then download speed is 1.5 to 3 Mbps. And then the Verizon and Sprint Nextel we use the connection type is mobile wireless, and then the download speed also same 768 kbps until 1.5 mbs. That's all from me. I'll pass to my teammate.
So I want to present the part two. Okay, in part two, they ask research broadband access option for specific scenarios. In part two, you will research and detail broadband options for the following scenarios and select the best last mile technology to meet the needs of consumer. You can use the fixed broadband deployment site as a starting point for your research. Scenario 1. You are moving to city, Kansas City, and are exploring home internet connections. Research and detail two internet connections from which you can select in this metropolitan area. Okay, for it has two, Google Fiber and Time Warner. So Google Fiber, the connection type will be fiber. For Time Warner will be cable. So fiber is more cheaper than Time Warner. So it will cost $70 for Google Fiber and $79 for Time Warner. Okay. For Google Fiber, the download speed will be 1 gigabyte per second, and for Time Warner will be 50 MB per second. Scenario 2. You are moving to an area outside of Billings, Montana, and are exploring home internet connections. So you will be beyond the reach of cable or DSL connections. Research and detail to internet connections you can select in this area. So there are two, so rural broadband and HuxNet. For rural broadband, the connection type will be fixed wireless. Cost will be $40 and the download speed will be 3 MB per second. For HuxNet, the connection type will be satellite, so it will be more expensive. It will be $60 and the download speed will be 5 MB per second. Choose one from the list of local ISP that you selected. Give the reasons why you choose that particular ISP. The reasons are typically based on price per month, internet speeds, or package offered. Next, please. Scenario 3. You're a small business owner with 10 employees who telecommute in the Fargo, North Dakota area. The teleworkers live beyond the reach of cable internet connections. Research and detailed two internet connections you can select in this area. They are two, clear and sprint. The connection type for two will be mobile wireless. Clear is more cheaper than sprint. So cost per month will be $50 for clear and $80 for sprint. So the download speed will be same. It will be 6 MB per second. Choose one from the list of local ISPs that you are selected. Give the reasons why you choose that ISP. Vary. The reasons are typically based on the price per month, internet speeds, or package offered. Next, please. Scenario 4. Your business in the other country, Fargo, North Dakota, is expanding to 25 employees and will need to upgrade your broadband access to include equipment co-location and web hosting. Research and detail two internet connections from which you can select in this area. ISP, there are two and CenturyLink and 129. Okay, the connection type for CenturyLink will be DSL. The cost will be 29 and 99 cents. Download speed will be 12 MB per second. Next, 129. The connection type will be VMAX. Cost per month. It will be more expensive than CenturyLink. It will be $39.99 and the download speed will be 3 MB per second. Choose one from the list of local ISP that you are selected. Give the reasons why you choose that ISP. They are typically based on price per month, internet speeds, or package offered. Next, please. Reflection questions. So the question will be, how do you think broadband internet access will change in the future? So the answer will be broadband internet access will increase in geographical size and in speed with the further development of wired and wireless technology and infrastructure. Access options and speeds will be continue to increase and with more availability to unserved and underserved areas. Thank you from us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.